Looking for a 2007 Shelby GT500 convertible that's practically like brand new? Check this one out. 310 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Comes with the original window sticker, 5.4 liter supercharged dual overhead cam, V8 underneath the hood, of course, 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the front fascia and the condition of this car. And yes, you heard me right, 310 actual miles on the odometer right now. Still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. The still pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Tires were replaced due to age, brand new Nittos on it. Those don't have 25 miles on them. The correct SVT wheels. This car does have the GT500 premium trim package. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see black paint. Has a nice luster to it, the reflection in the paint. It's like looking at it wet. Triple black, black exterior, black fabric top, black or dark charcoal interior, I guess you'd say. Center console, bucket seat, Shaker 500 stereo system. I'll show you the functioning top going up and down. I'll show you the condition of the top. That's like new also. I do not have the parade boot or the convertible top cover in. And that's due to the fact I don't think it's ever been unfolded. It still has the directions for installation. It's in the plastic bag. I'm gonna leave it like that. These are the wheel locks still in the bag. And of course the front license plate bracket has not been installed in the car. I'm putting those right back in the trunk. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. This one speaks for itself. uniqueclassiccars.com. I will start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs, really no matter what body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And this is a prime example. I mean, how many times do you see a 2007 Shelby GT500 with just a little over 300 miles is all on it? And in great condition, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead, check out this interior a little bit. Let me pull that key. All right, so your mounted amenities, you have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the door panel and the door card. Great condition. Seat, power over here on the driver's side. And again, you can see like brand new. It's what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. Steering wheel controls for cruise. Of course, the tilt column. I mentioned the Shaker 500 stereo system, 6 CD in-dash changer. They're just exact miles. 310.9. No service engine light, check engine soon, anything like that. Top of the dash, like new. Stereo working as it should. Again, 6-speed manual. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I've not noticed any modifications in this car either. Sounds as it should. let's go check out this engine bay. I think we know how that's going to look. And I'll get the tripod set up. We'll check out that convertible top functioning too and the condition of that. And then remember, very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood does not appear this has been driven in inclement weather. Hood liner's spotless. There it is, that SVT built by hand, supercharged V8. Again, looks stock underneath here. Motorcraft battery. No surprises under the hood either, just as clean as the rest of the car. Let me go ahead and get the camera set up. I'll show you that top going up. We'll check out the condition of that. And power convertible top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Condition is what you'd expect on a car with 310 actual miles. So black fabric, no rips, tears, holes, really no wear whatsoever. Glass rear window, rear defrost. Around to the passenger side. Also nice fit with the side glass on both sides, and again, really no wear whatsoever. Just like off the showroom floor. I'll show you the top going back down also so you can see that function. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 2007 Shelby GT500, 310 miles in the odometer right now. Clean Carfax, of course. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Be able to see the underside. It's like new. Interior, engine bay, trunk. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a practically new 2007 Ford Mustang GT500. That would be the Shelby GT500, as you can see. 6-speed manual transmission, Very, very low miles on this car. Looking great in black with the stripes. And as you can see, it's a convertible. We have the top down today. Love that whine. You can hear the whine from the motor just enough, combined with the throaty exhaust note. Perfect for this car. Yeah, like I said, it's practically like new. The seats are great. The dash is great. The whole interior looks good. The stereo sounds good.
March is the perfect month.
Our gauges are all working. The fuel gauge showing a little over half a tank. We have a boost gauge that also works. The oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up and the temperature 1/4 of the way up. There, I finally went to 6th gear. Doing 50 miles an hour. We're at like 1300 RPM. Very good. That'll get you a little better miles per gallon, but who cares? This is a fun, fast car. Brakes are working well. Nice steering wheel. It's wrapped in leather. Feels good in the hand. This car corners very flat, amazingly flat. And again, accelerates very fun. It's a good description for the acceleration. Take a look at all the pictures of this GT500 convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.